Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming you can sign into the Google account. This is essential because locking requires ownership proof. Once signed in, make a quick backup of Drive, photos, and contacts so you can restore anything later. Next, choose the appropriate action: temporary suspend to stop access, lock for security, or delete permanently. Because each option affects recovery differently, and you want to avoid irreversible loss while proceeding immediately to account controls. Once on the security page, you will change the account password immediately to block ongoing access. This prevents attackers from re-entering old sessions. Then enable two-step verification so new sign-ins require your second factor, making the account harder to breach. After that, review devices and remove any unfamiliar sessions. Revoke third-party app access and app passwords because those can bypass your new password. And make sure all active sessions are terminated. To finish, go to Data and Privacy and pick either account deletion or temporary actions. Deletion is permanent, so confirm backups and follow every verification prompt carefully. If you prefer immediate blocking without deletion, remove all sign-in methods and revoke access to suspend usage. If something goes wrong, make sure to use Google's account recovery flow, check your recovery email and phone, and try recent activity verification. If recovery fails, contact support options provided in the account recovery steps for additional help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.